this creation process is to create an SVG container element, which will then be used to host all SVG structures that are required to render an access. Most of the logic in this code is related to the calculation of where to draw the axis on the SVG canvas using the transform attribute in line H. In the code example, to shift the axis using offsets, we use the translate SVG transformation, which allows us to shift an element using a distance parameter that is defined with the coordinates in x and y. The more relevant part of this code is on line I, where the D3 selection call function is used with the access object being passed in as the parameter. The D3 selection call function invokes the given function, in our case, the access object, with the current selection passed in as an argument. In other words, the function being passed into the D3 selection call function should have this form. The D3 selection call function also allows you to pass in additional arguments to the invoking function. For more information, you may visit this link. Once the D3 access component is called, it will take care of the rest and automatically create all necessary SVG elements for an access, as shown in line I. And that's all about access. Cool. In this video, we worked with basic access. In the next video, we'll look at customizing ticks.